Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this.
People are paying $700 for a litter box that could literally cost their cat's life. Do not make that mistake. The PetPivot is way more affordable, prioritizes safety, and waits a full 70 seconds after your cat hops out. And here's what happens when your cat poops or pees in its PetPivot AutoScooper 11. Normally, it's automatic. Watch this. Before it even scoops, it covers the waste with clean litter first. This is a game changer because it dries out the poops and pees and locks in the odor so they don't smear the inside. My old expensive robot smears constantly, and it was a nightmare to clean. He uses infrared sensors, so if your cat jumps in, the machine freezes instantly. This litter box also saves you lots of money because it uses way less litter than a manual box. It perfectly sifts the clean litter from the clumps, dropping only the waste into this massive 2.6-gallon bin. And because the design never fully rotates closed, your cat can never get trapped or pinched inside. And it has extra safety sensors here, here, and here to maximize your cat's safety. I only have to empty this once every twice a month. When it's full, you just pull this yellow string. It's gonna pre-shut the trash bag like this, so you never have to look at or smell the waste. It ships fast from New Jersey, not China, and has sold over 130,000 units. It even comes with a litter mat and 10 months of bags. And luckily for you guys, they just went on sale, so I will leave a link for you on this video. Just make sure you get them before they sell out again.